Have you ever struggled with hair that's weighed down or uncontrollable, no matter what you try? It's frustrating, right? Well, today I have something that might just be the solution to those daily hair struggles. Let me introduce you to KMS MoistRepair Revival Crème. Now, before we dive into the review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a beauty tip. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. KMS MoistRepair Revival Crème is a lightweight cream formulated to add body to your hair without weighing it down. If you're someone who battles static and flyaways, you'll appreciate that this product also helps control those pesky strands that just don't seem to stay put. It's a leave-in treatment that promises to improve the overall health and feel of your hair with natural ingredients designed to restore and nourish. When it comes to hair care, we're all about healthy ingredients, right? The formulation of this product is natural, so you're not dealing with a bunch of harsh chemicals. It's great for anyone looking to repair dry or damaged hair while maintaining that light, bouncy feel. So how did it perform in real life? Honestly, I was impressed. I tested it during a busy week of back-to-back meetings and activities, so I needed something that could handle my demanding schedule without giving me greasy or flat hair. The first thing I noticed was the texture. It's not too thick, but it's not too light either. The perfect balance for my hair, which is somewhere between fine and medium. The cream was super easy to apply. I just took a small amount and worked it through damp hair, focusing on the ends and mid-lengths. I also used it after blow drying, and it worked like a charm to control any flyaways. It didn't feel heavy or sticky, and my hair felt softer and had more volume than usual. As for performance, I was really pleased with how it held up throughout the day. My hair didn't feel weighed down, and I didn't have to worry about touch-ups. Plus, the added body made it look fuller and healthier, which is a major plus for me. The product definitely lived up to its claim of adding volume and taming flyaways without making my hair feel flat. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, this crème does what it says. It gives volume without the weight, controls static and flyaways, and leaves your hair feeling nourished. It's also lightweight, so it doesn't make your hair feel heavy or greasy. On the downside, while it's great at smoothing flyaways, if you have extremely coarse or thick hair, you might need a little extra product or additional styling steps to get the same sleek finish. When it comes to value for money, KMS MoistRepair Revival Crème is a solid choice. It might not be the cheapest option on the shelf, but the quality is there. You're paying for a treatment that actually delivers on its promises. And considering how little you need to use, this 125 milliliter bottle will last you quite a while. If you're someone who values clean formulations and effective, long-lasting results, the price is definitely justified. Now let's talk about alternatives. If you're on a tighter budget, there are some good options out there, like drugstore brands that offer lightweight creams for adding volume or controlling frizz. But honestly, I think KMS offers something a little more specialized for those really looking to restore hair health. So if you're in the market for something that truly nourishes, this one stands out. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. I like that the cream comes in a tube that's easy to squeeze, so you're not wasting product. The cap stays securely closed, making it perfect for travel or tossing into your gym bag without worrying about leaks. It's also worth mentioning that the product feels pretty long-lasting, both in terms of usage and performance. My hair felt noticeably softer after just a few uses, and I could see a significant improvement in texture over time. So, final thoughts? If you're after a cream that will add volume, tame flyaways, and leave your hair feeling healthier and more manageable, this is a solid pick. While it may not work miracles for extremely thick or coarse hair, it's definitely a great option for anyone with fine to medium hair types. Before we wrap up, if this review has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with more beauty tips and product reviews. And hey, if you're ready to try the KMS MoistRepair Revival Crème, check out the link in the comments below. If you've already used this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.